Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I would like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So now we can focus on this option bar. Let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here all we have to do is simply swipe to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got a restore defaults option, so just tap on it. And your device will inform you that the camera settings will be restored to their default values. So simply tap on OK. And here we've got actually the first evidence that the reset option worked, because your device is asking you if you want to give your camera the access to the location. I don't want to, so let me deny it. And as you can see, we've got the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, so it means that for sure we just successfully reset camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.